Hi Taurus, I'm Anisha and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your mid-month forecast for career and money. Taurus, in any case, you have your own planet, beautiful Venus. She's not only a goddess of love, beauty and sex, but she also rules money. And she's, along with Jupiter, the planet of expansiveness, they're conjuncting into your sign. This is in any case a beautiful time for you both personally and work-wise. And starting 14th, you have the magnificent grand earth trine, and it's just going to sort of pick you up and just push you right there out in the front. So a lot of you are going to be getting ready for international conferences. There could be a lot of visits which can be expected from international offices. You may be having people coming down and visiting you from there. So there's a lot of conversation that's happening with international partners at this point of time, and it's very nice. Your work is going to get appreciated and you're going to be looked upon as somebody who's not only hardworking but is very creative as well. Around the 18th, however, you could again go back and relook and revisit at a conversation that you had in the first week of March regarding a project or a work that you may have been doing on your own. It seems to me that you've been sitting and researching and doing some amount of a work which you've not really been doing it with the team, and you've not been talking about it, and it could take a bit of a slowdown. We have lovely Mercury which is going retrograde on the 12th, so the communication and the work which you have been doing sort of behind the scenes is going to slow down a little bit at this point of time. So don't worry, in any case you're pretty much on a research mode, so just go with the flow. Keep doing your due diligence or what is that is required. However, do be very careful about your communication at this point of time, Taurus. Try not to sign some very big deals. Try not to get into very critical negotiation, at least this month, end of the month especially. Try not to get into a lot of negotiation. Try and wait till, I would say, about first week of April. That is the time when Mercury starts coming direct again. It actually comes out of Pisces shadow completely on 23rd of April. However, for those of you who are really pressed for time and have to get into signing those deals or negotiating those orders, try and do the closure or committing at least till about end of, I would say, first week of April. Just try and stretch it till about that point of time. It's also a great time towards the end, I would say, that is on the 20th, when Sun walks into your house. It's going to give you a little pick-me-up. It's a good time for teamwork. So do spend time with your office colleagues, or spend some time getting to know them better. It's a good time for some office bonding. On the 29th, there's a bit of a friction. You may be feeling a bit emotional at this point of time. So try not to let your emotions control you, and try not to lose your temper. Try to stay calm, and try not to commit, especially on the work order or a project that you've been working. So overall, a brilliant 15-day work period for you, Taurans. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.